In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your form URL in Microsoft Teams. This process is not only simple but incredibly helpful for when you need to share lengthy links for meetings or forms. It makes the URL easier to manage and share, especially in emails or quick messages. So let's dive right in and master this task together in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams, and if you're not already signed in, ensure you log in using your credentials. Once you're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the calendar section on the left-hand menu. This is where all your meetings and scheduled events are listed. From here, locate the specific meeting or event for which you want to shorten the URL. With the meeting selected, you'll see various details and options appear. Now it's time to copy the meeting link. Usually there's a unique link for every meeting that you organize which participants can use to join. You'll find an option to either copy the link directly, or it might be part of the meeting details. Simply right click and select copy, or use the keyboard shortcut to make sure that link is safely stored in your clipboard for the next steps. Once you've got your meeting link copied, the next tool we'll use is tinyurl.com. Open your web browser and type in tinyurl.com. This is a tried and true service for shortening URLs for free, providing a straightforward way to transform those cumbersome links into something neat and concise. When you arrive at the website, you'll be greeted with a simple interface right in the center of the page. Now paste your copied meeting link into the input field on tinyurl's main page. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using the paste function on your keyboard. Once you've entered your link, you'll notice a button nearby that says Shorten URL. Before you click this button, it might be worth noting that you can customize your shortened URL. This is optional, but it can make your link even more recognizable or relevant to your needs. Finally, go ahead and click Shorten URL. TinyURL will then process your request, and in just a moment you'll be presented with a successfully shortened link. This new URL is what you'll use to invite others, ensuring that your communication remains clear and clutter-free. It's a tiny detail, but one that makes digital collaboration noticeably more manageable. Having a neat, manageable URL can be a real game changer, especially in professional environments where clarity and efficiency are key. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to shorten your form URLs using Microsoft Teams and TinyURL. I hope you find this useful for your future meetings and sharing needs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.